Hello traders and welcome to our market update today on the 17th of Jan 2020, and it's Tune Up on here, founder of Master Markets Illustrates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on the markets. It's already more than mid-Jan. Can you believe it, guys? It's just flying, isn't it? Time. Let's make the best out of it. Today's topic I'm going to be doing in our market update as usual. We do a topic and we look at the markets, and then we will then update you our performance, how well we have done for the week ahead. So today I'm going to be talking to you about three types of entries. Okay, three types of entries is what we are going to be looking at. Now, the first one is pretty much simple. How would you enter into a market? Is called the live entry. Okay, live entry. So basically that means I'm entering on the close, which is over here, and then I can either buy it or I can sell it, right? So either one. So for example, if I were to bring up an order ticket over here, so let's see over there. So I can either, what I can do is either just quickly just click on buy or I can click on sell, right? So either one. So that's called live entry, okay? So that's the first type of entry, okay? Live entry. All right, entering live in the market. Now, the second type of entry is what we call, let me just write this in live entry, right? The second thing is what we call a pending order entry, okay? A pending order entry. Now, what does that mean? Basically means, for example, if the price is at 96.48 at the moment, I'm going to tell the broker, I only want to buy this particular instrument or currency or Bitcoin or whatever the instrument may be, commodity, whatever it is, I only want to buy it when it gets to this level at 96.60, let's say. Okay, so 12 pips away from where it is at the moment in terms of this currency. So that we call a pending order entry. Okay, so it sits in the market until it gets there. Sometimes it won't get there, and then you might just go further down. At that point, you want to cancel this, so you got to follow your rules. But this is one of the entries, so pending order entry. So for pending order entry, you should always know when you are going to cancel the order. So that's one important thing that's got to be in your plan and in your crib sheet. I've seen that traders that we've coached over, conferences, 20,000 traders at least we've coached over all the world and everything. What we have seen is that sometimes they don't have this parameter there. When are they going to cancel the pending order? Okay, so that's an important reminder for you guys out there. Right, the third type of entry is what we call the limit entry. Okay, limit entry. Now, what does that mean? Limit entry basically means a limit by itself basically means a better entry. Okay, let me explain this to you, alright? This might be a bit confusing, but I'll explain this to you in the most simplest way possible. Now, for example, if something costs, let's say a MacBook laptop costs at the moment £2,500, okay? Now, a limit entry, a limit price would be, as a buyer, it would be a better price as a buyer would be something cheaper than that, right? Yeah, to buy, okay? So that would be something like less than 2,500. So for example, if it drops to £2,000, that would be called the limit entry for me. That means it's a better price as an entry. And if you are a buyer, okay, as a buyer, that's a better price. Cheaper price is a better price for a buyer, right? So when I say buy limit, it's got to be lower than 96.48 at the moment. Something lower than that, because as a buyer, I always want to be buying something cheap. So 96.10 would be a buy limit price. Anything lower than the current live price. Okay. Now, how about on the contrary? How about on the sell side of things? On the sell side of things, traders, what would be better for me if I sell at 2,500 or £3,000? Which is a better price? 2,500 at the current live price or 3,000? Of course, yeah, I can hear you say that 3,000 is a better price, isn't it? Sell price. So let's call it a limit entry. So as a seller, I want to be selling higher. As a buyer, I want to be buying lower, buying cheaper. Okay? I want to be selling more expensive and I want to be buying more cheaper. So if you understand that concept, a sell limit over here would be higher than 96.48. So it would be something like, sorry, a buy limit, right? A buy limit would be something lower, and a sell limit would be something higher. So anything like 96, 90 would be a sell limit for you. Okay, this is a sell limit. Okay, this one over here, which we went through, is a buy stop or a sell stop. Buy stop or a sell stop. That's a pending order. Now, the buy stop or the sell stop basically means a worse price, because think about it, I am buying more expensive than 96.48, isn't it? It's not really good for me as a buyer. And the other one is called a sell stop. That means I'm selling lower. I'm selling cheaper, basically, yeah, than 2,500. So always remember, stop is for pending order entries, which is known as worse, and limit entry is known as a better entry. Okay? Now, doesn't matter which one you choose, you have to choose according to your strategies, and different strategies with different parameters. Everything will have its pros and cons. The pending order entries, the stop entries, will actually be better in terms of giving you more confirmation in the market, but a later entry. But a limit entry will give you a really, really better price entry. But however, you'll be going in the opposite side of the market to go and reverse in your favor. Okay, and be lower reliability usually. Okay, so remember that. Just a recap: live entry, pending order entries or stop entries, and the last one is limit entries. Okay, so these are the three types of entries that you can have. Now let's go through a quick look on the markets at the moment. So let's see, for example, dollar Swiss is in a downtrend, dollar is in a down, dollar yen on the other hand, very strong upward move over here. It's in an uptrend, so it's a totally reverse correlation over here between dollar yen and dollar Swiss. Single market compression on cable just confirmed according to our algos over here. Smart money indicator on the swing highs and swing lows. Always contact us if you want to know more about the indicator over here. That's cable on a single market compression. Over here, what we have is a variation 4 is an uptrend as well on the euro dollar. Open equity still towards the upside. We're looking for more higher upside over here. Aussie dollar uptrend as well. Looking for more higher upside as well. So very low movement here, isn't it? What we have over here, look. I mean, just a very small move. Usually we will expect it to go a bit more higher for this bottom to top move. Very rare does it quickly turn. Okay, good. So let's do that one there. Let's look at another currency, euro yen, still going up, just like following the yen. Bitcoin is on the rise back again. After a dip to 6,000, it's back to 8,600. FTSE staggering at 7,565, being pushed up a little bit by the Dow. Uptrend, strong uptrend here. Oil, uptrend as well, took a bit of a dip after all the news that was out there. $58 at the moment. Gold, still on the uprise, a little bit of a dip here, 1,550, hasn't confirmed according to our indicator as of yet. And the Dow continues to soar more higher, new level high at 29,282. Okay, I guess that's pretty much that from me in terms of the market update. Now let's swiftly move over to our performance, right? So we are looking at the Elite Journal. There are no trades as of this week, traders. We're quite flat. We've closed out last week on the cable for 2% profit, and actually we just placed another order actually today for gold bars. Let's see if it gets triggered or not. Limit entry on the high to go short, basically. Okay, so basically what we're doing over here, if you take a look, we're looking to go short here, but a limit entry as I explained just now. Okay, so what we are looking to do, enter here and looking to go further down. Okay, that's what we are looking to do, short the thing. Right. Of course, you beginners, I mean, if you're unsure about technical terms that we're using over here, please go to traderstarterpack.com or join us on our live trading webinar. You can learn all about the markets over there. Trader Starter Pack is an amazing beginner video series, video course that we have done for you guys. Okay. Right. Now, let's take a look at primary runners. And on the live trading room strategies, we only have one trade that we have closed out this week, 14 to 15 Jan. Exit on the confirmation. This was on the euro dollar, as you can see over here. We basically took this on the close over there and we exited on this high. So that's half of the position closed out and we let the other half run towards our target point. So let's see how that plans out to be for the week. So what we have at the moment, that's what we have. So that's the only one we're close. So 0.26% profit is what I've got, traders. Okay, 0.26% and how many pips? 18 pips of profit is what I've got over here. Okay, so overall, between the two rooms, we've just closed out this week with 0.26% profit and 18 pips, or 18 pips of profit at £10 a pip. That would be 180 pounds. Okay, that's what we are looking at in terms of the trading floors for this week. 180 pounds up, and so that's good. We are maintaining our consistency, we're maintaining our upside, and as professionals we should always look to not give up this profit as much as possible and always manage our risk. Okay, all right, that's pretty much that for me on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.